Hi y'all, it's me. I am here on behalf of Rosie's Studio as part of their Creative Club design team with an unboxing for you. For those who don't know Rosie's Studio, it's an online store that sells scrapbooking supplies such as scrapbook paper, ephemera, dies, stamps, etc. So please check them out. The link will be down below in my description box. I'll also link the product that I'm going to share with you today. So let me get started. The collection that I'm using this time will be Honey, and I think it's really cute, and you get two of each designs in this 6x6, and they are single-sided, so I'm just going to kind of go through a couple. This one has tiny little honeycombs on it, flowers. I like this one with the words on it. This one has tiny little bees. I think that one also has gold foiling. It does. I don't know how well. Can you kind of see the shimmer there? Let me keep going here. Pink honeycomb, topiary trees, another plaid, polka dot, some more bees, yellow plaid, little flowers, tiny little honeycomb, hearts, which are supposed to look like bee trails. And then we're back to the first page. So that is the paper collection. And then I also picked up the puffy stickers, which you can see here. I'll just kind of hold them slow so you can get a look at how cute they are. My favorite word, but Mama says believe for me, but I still like bliss. There you go. Those are the puffy stickers. And then I picked up these bingo cards. They are for this collection. Let's have a look at them because I haven't taken them out myself. So we have Shine. You get two. So it looks like two of each. Dream. Luck. Laugh. Brave. Loved. Let's see. I got stuck here. Brave. Adore. Smile. Sweet. Bloom. And Dream. So these make cute little journaling cards. Oh, and they're double-sided. Oh, see, I didn't even notice that. They are double-sided. Oh, they're different on both sides, so you get two for the two different ones on each side. Smart. Well, are the words same? Happy, loved, bliss. Oh, there's bliss. Oh, good. I didn't even notice that. See? Learned something together. So those are double-sided, really cute. So I think those would make a nice addition for tags and photos and whatnot. And now I have the ephemera pack, and as always, Rosie's always puts so much ephemera. You get 168 pieces in here, and they do give you the images here. I have shared with you before, but I will share it again. Don't do anything with this except save it. You can scan it into your computer or your printer, and then print it out, and you'll have teensy tiny ephemera to work with. So that's what I like to do with mine. I'm glad they do the packaging that way. And I believe with all of the ephemera, you get two of everything. There's a lot of little pieces in there, like flowers and bees. I'm not going to try to get all the little things because they're just so little. There's bird on a, oops, sorry, it got kind of, let me see if I can move something out of the way. Bird on a branch. We have some paper, notebook paper kind of looking thing. Tags. Some more tags. Words. Little stop being you. Like I said, there's two of everything in here, so we've seen that one. Hello, honey. Every day. Sweet like honey. some butterflies, some bees. These look like little tickets. Banners. Whoops, that one flew. Banners right there. These all have gold foiling on them too. Honeycomb. Some edges. There's another ticket there. Some more edges. Bee. Some little tiny things. Tags. This is a frame, so you can actually pop those elements out there and have 3 different pieces per piece. Another ticket. Birthday cake. Keep on being you. Bouquet. Some more little flags and bees. And there's some bitty pieces there. Jar. Clouds. Some little hearts and little decorations. Hot air balloon. More tags. Be happy. There's the other one of that. Buzzing about this, a little list thingy. And there's this one. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. I mean, this just goes on and on. Let's see if I can lift these up. These are a lot of little word banner kind of things here. More butterflies, honey jar, some banner pieces, some more little sign, another ticket, stamps, some various stamps. This looks like a birdhouse. This one is flowers, some little wagon, flower cart wagon, tree, heart, tags, some more words, more little word banners with gold on the edges, hedgehog, bows, honeycomb, more jars, rainbows, jars, more words, a fox, the word lovely, hello, another tree, topiary tree, and then some more little pieces. So as you can see, you have plenty of things to work with this collection. There were other things. I just picked up these items. So please go ahead and check out the links down below and see what you can find at Rosie's Studio that you may like to play with. I'll be back later with some projects. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.